So, have you ever dreamed of scuba diving in crystal clear tropical blue waters? Imagine vibrant coral reefs and exotic fish dancing around you. Embark on a private boat tour with us, guided by a skilled scuba instructor. You won't believe what we saw under the sea. Oh, and did I mention? Even our 9-year-old granddaughter took the plunge. He showed us all how to dive. Get ready for an underwater adventure like never before. It's time to make your scuba dreams a reality for your whole family. So come on, what are you waiting for? You need to click in and watch now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hi, I'm Maya of Oh My Travels.
And I'm Jerry, her husband.
The Philippines is a beautiful country with more than 7,000 islands. Thanks for clicking in. Together, we'll dive into the breathtaking world beneath the surface at Batangas Beach, Philippines. But here's the kicker. It's just a short drive from the bustling heart of Manila. Only 68 miles away. If this is the first time for you to watch us, I'm an American citizen, but born and raised here in the Philippines. We are here for the Christmas holiday to visit my dad, daughter, grandkids, and my whole family. Watch us have fun in the sun and we'll show you some delicious Filipino cuisine on the journey. I sure do miss my homeland Philippine foods. We have chapters, maps, and links below to help you with your trip, dreams, and plans. So stay with us, don't go anywhere for all your whole family fun. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the notify button. That way you won't miss out on all of our new videos.
And you'll be helping to support all our effort and expense that goes into creating these videos.
Most of all, it costs you absolutely nothing.
So subscribe now.
You'll be so glad you did. So we eat our breakfast in paradise, getting ready for the dive boat to pick us up.
Hey, here it comes now.
If you eat it, they eat you instead of the dough. I'm getting him to smile.
Name is the equalizing or conflict. Same like this. You need, right? Only, and then how to underwater, jumping on the water, I will show you. Very easy to the backstroke. Name is backstroke. Okay. Perfect. Same like this, right? Okay. Open. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Our grandson's never ever dived before. As you just saw, this instructor has totally trained him on the spot to dive in this beautiful, shallow reef. It's amazing that he gets enjoyed this underwater world among these beautiful fish. Now it's Dad's turn.
Okay, hold on.
He did a great job. Well, as we promised, here is my 9-year-old granddaughter getting ready for the next dive.
Slowly, we practice in the passage.
Wow, she's looking like a pro. Beginner divers, like our granddaughter, can have their checkout dive in one of the many beautiful shallow reefs. Its clear and calm waters host colorful species of fish, wildlife, and corals, which are everything you'll need for an exciting snorkeling or diving experience. Advanced divers can enjoy drift dives on strong current. To those training to be technical divers, it has deep sights that goes down to 140 feet, or 43 meters.
Wow, just look how much fun she's having.
Yeah, she sure is. Well, it's Mom's turn for the fun now. The islands of the Philippines has some of the best scuba diving sites in the world. Located in Indo-Pacific's Coral Triangle, the Coral Triangle is a marine area located in the Western Pacific Ocean. It includes the waters of Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Timor-Leste, and Solomon Islands. With over 7,000 islands, the Philippines is home to pristine coral reef, huge schools of fish, and some pretty rare species. Mabini, Batangas is situated at the tip of the land by the Balayan Bay. Its clear and calm waters host colorful species of fish, wildlife, and corals, which are everything you'll need for an exciting snorkeling or diving experience. It has been among the top diving destinations in the Philippines as its waters is part of the Verde Island Passage at large, the center of the Coral Triangle of the world in marine biodiversity. Divers from around the Philippines and the globe would often come and explore its beauty and protected marine life abundance. This has been known as well to be the birthplace of scuba diving in the country.
Okay, now for my turn.
In the Philippines, giant clams are classified as threatened and are rarely found among coral reefs these days. Despite their reputation as killer clams, legends from the South Pacific tell of giant clams able to trap and even devour passing divers. Reputable marine manuals from centuries past warned against giant clams. But these colorful extra-large clams do not eat fish or people. Giant clams, when healthy, can live up to 100 years.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, hold on.
My dad just got out of the hospital, so I'm sure the doctors wouldn't agree with what he's doing. But we made sure he was safe and had lots of fun.
How was it? You had fun, huh?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch all our episodes.